All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contract project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, yesterday I did inform you that we finished up our blockchain basics module and we started our transaction module. Let's have a look at that now once everything loads up. So as you can see here, this is our transaction module, and it's actually complete. I finished the entire module. It wasn't much to it. Like I said yesterday, it was just going over the instructions on how to actually download a wallet, which many of us have already done, and actually how to send transactions using our wallet. And that was completely done. So that's done, and we moved on to that. Our next module is going to be the gas instruction or the introduction to gas, and that's going to be what is charged when we use Ethereum. But again, we'll go over that more in depth when we get to it. Now with the transactions, if you saw my stories yesterday, I told you that we were able to send a test transaction over a test network on the Ethereum platform. And if you actually watch my stories, you can see the confirmation of that and see how that actually went through. Now I'm not going to walk through the steps of how to do that because it might be different for everyone. So I don't want anyone to try it and not be able to do it and get discouraged. So if you want to actually find out how to do it on your own, you can actually go ahead and try to find the steps and get that done. But yeah, you can send test transactions over a test network on the Ethereum platform. So that was the everything had to do with the transactions module. Like I said, it is done. We downloaded our wallet, and I'm going to keep the wallet because we're going to be using it a lot more. But yeah, so that's done with that. The next module we're going to be diving into is gas, and that's going to be introduction to gas fees. And I'll explain more on that once we actually get into the module. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.